Hello there. I'm Anthony Spratley. I'm a personal injury attorney and former military member, JAG prosecutor, now helping injured New Mexicans fight insurance companies after their car accidents. And so today we're going to do a deep dive into what you need to do after a car accident. It's very important. And what to do when you're not at fault. And I don't mean just the basics. We're talking about protecting your rights, maximizing your claim, and avoiding the traps insurance companies set up to get you to settle for less. So whether you're watching this from the side of the road or your living room, your bedroom, or you're just trying to be prepared, this is the video you need. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about what to do immediately after the crash. Even if you're not at fault, what you do in those crucial first minutes can make or break your case. So step number one, call 911 and get a police report. Always call 911. You need an official police report that documents what happened, who was involved, and most importantly, who was at fault. Step two, document everything. Take pictures, take out your cell phone, take pictures, lots of them. Your car, their car, license plates, the road, traffic signs, skid marks, injuries, the weather, everything, right? Step three, get information, but say little. Exchange names, phone numbers, insurance, and registration, but don't admit fault. Even saying I'm sorry could be twisted later and hurt your case. Okay, so now that you're safe and the scene is documented, let's break down the three most important things you need to do next. So number one, get checked out by a doctor, a medical provider. Even if you feel fine, adrenaline can mask pain. You might not feel the damage until days later. So go to urgent care, go to your PCP, chiropractor, just make sure it's documented. Second thing is talk to a personal injury attorney ASAP. The other driver's insurance adjuster is not your friend. It may sound nice, but their job is to close your claim fast and cheap, right? So number three, don't talk to the other driver's insurance adjuster without a game plan. Even saying something innocent like, I'm feeling okay, can be used to downplay your injuries. Always consult with an attorney first. All right, we're going to take a quick break, so just bear with me. If you're finding this information helpful, just please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people like you find this information, and we drop weekly tips on how to protect yourself legally after an accident in New Mexico. All right, so now let's talk about a few traps that people fall into after an accident, even when they're not at fault. So the first trap is accepting a quick settlement offer. A second trap is posting on social media. Third trap, not following the doctor's orders, like skipping appointments or ignoring treatment that weakens your claim. All right, so don't fall into those traps, please. So let's recap the top three things to do after your car accident when you're not at fault. So number one, get medical treatment immediately and document everything. Second thing, talk to a personal injury lawyer before speaking to insurance, your insurance or theirs, okay? Avoid direct communication with the other driver's insurer until you have a strategy in place. So if you're here in New Mexico and need help after an accident, my team at Fusion Legal Group is here for you. Okay, I'm a veteran, I'm a fighter, and I don't back down from insurance companies. So call or text us anytime. Your consultation is always free. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. And remember, just because you weren't at fault doesn't mean you'll be treated fairly by the other insurance company. But we can make sure that you are. All right, again, until next time, stay safe, New Mexico.